image, when you truly, truly discover the essence of it, napapasayaw ka sa tuwa eh. Di ba? But when you don't have the right vision, and not vision, the right perspective of image, may tendency you might feel low about it because you might be looking at the wrong lens.
Please join me in welcoming here in front of you, Miss Tony Miranda.
Woohoo! Thank you so much, Casey. Okay, I know marami tayong mga important person or people in our life. But this time, can you just hear from me and sana tumatak at tumagos sa ating puso hanggang gallbladder? Layo, no? Okay, the most important person in your life is, teka, let me read first. O, di ba may konting preno muna? Family, pamilya, family. Oh, yeah. At gusto ko yan, may ilaw pa. Okay, guys. The most important person in your life is, mag-drum beat nga tayo, drum beat. Surprise. The one in front of you. The most important person in your life is the one in front of you. For every moment, kung sinong nasa harap nyo, siya ang most important person. So, as of now, ako yun. Yes. Thank you. Why? Why? Sometimes, you are missing out the joy of being present. Tama? You are missing out the joy of being present. Kitang-kita sa image, kitang-kita sa eye contact, kitang-kita sa body language, at kitang-kita sa appearance. Na yung nasa harap na tao, wala ka doon. Buti nga nandun ka eh, pero ikaw wala. Ang gulo, no? What I'm saying is, when you put your heart to that mindset that whoever is in front of me, siya yung most important person, I believe you will always prepare yourself for that person. Next, in knowing yourself is, of course, the real you. Nothing beats shining the real you. And you know, sometimes you don't shine the real you because you're not proud of yourself. Tama? You may have made some mistakes and you allow the past to dictate the today and the future, and that will not work. Your past, you cannot undo that. You cannot undo your past, but what you can do is to enjoy the present. Kasi sometimes yung present mo, anong kumakain ng present mo? The pain and hurt of the past, the regrets of the past, and ano pang kumakain ng present mo? The worries of the future. Wala ka nang binigay ng value sa present mo. So I encourage you, because I've also wasted time regretting the past and worrying the future. So yung present, hindi ko na-enjoy. So then, find the real you, because no one is like you. I want you to embrace the right order. Let me see the right order according to your design. Understand first, yung kanina, you know yourself, then feel good about who you are. Kasi who you are, your beauty, sabi natin your image, is not defined by others and your past. It is your original design. So feel good about your design. You know, don't cry over something that you feel not enough compared with others. Okay? Like me, I'm actually short-legged, short arms. So even if pilitin ko na gusto ko mag-model, I just simply don't have that slim, long legs. Be happy with your looks. Okay, so feel good will now, okay? You feeling good will now make you decide and choose to look good. Tama? Because you feel good, you now will choose to communicate that. Agreed? But when you're not feeling good, somehow affected talaga. Even your walk, even your mood to even report to work. So when you feel good that you are fearfully and wonderfully made, when you are feeling good that you are not a mistake and none of you is a mistake, kung malaki tenga, di ba, mas marami kang naririnig. Kung malaking mata, di mas marami kang nakikita. Kung malaking paa, di mas marami kang mararating. O, di ba? Mas maganda kaysa na lang, ko ng paa ko, wala akong mabili. Think of things in a grateful heart or in a grateful lens. Because when we are grateful, sabi nila, your relationships will improve, your health will improve, including your self-esteem. So we need to look credible to gain trust. if you want to look reliable, you need to look like aabot ka pa bukas. Yan. It means you need to look healthy. Our looks, we may be feeling healthy, but we may not be looking healthy. So first, always remember, sabay-sabay natin basahin para tumagos talaga sa ating puso that, sabay-sabay tayo, you are the walking, talking representation of your message. So if your message is, we care for you, we are here to, to make your lives easier because of our telecom service, then make sure nakikita nila talaga that your appearance is like taking care of them. The way you smile, your body language, that they will feel safe when they walk in your store. Okay, of course, in our image, we wanted to respect pa rin ang our cultural differences. We value our image because it is a gift from the Lord. And we want to shine our light to encourage others that there is hope, that you are loved, that you are valued, you are forgiven. Okay?
Thank you so much for joining us. This is just part of the programs that we are cooking up for our retail, for all our frontliners. I hope that this has been a great step for you to take on as you develop and grow. We will use that as our reference to plan what is the most relevant, impactful, meaningful learning journey for all of you. So tulungan po tayo in each other's development. Okay po ba yon?
So we're doing this for the company, but again, dapat hindi to sa stores lang. It should be also at your inside your homes. No? And we believe that if you're happy and you love yourself, then it's better and it's easier for us to love our customers.
Bilang frontliner, you are the face of Smart, PLDT and Smart. So what kind of image are we projecting to our customers? And image is very important, no? Professional branding, professional image, that's very important because that's key also to building relationships and also later on making loyal customers.
Hi, I'm Christian Gail Castro. I'm from Smart San Lazaro branch, and what I've learned from this training was to know my value despite all the stress that we're experiencing every day to reach our quotas and such. We should always know our value and project the image what we present as a ambassador of Smart in frontline. And yeah.
My name is Alex, ICO from Smart Market. I'm so happy that we have this kind of course, and I've learned that we should always feel good by itself and look good. And my biggest learning is always take importance of our customers and who are we looking at.
Hi, I'm Casey, RSS of Smart Robinsons Malolos. And what I've learned about this session is that the most important person in your life is the one in front of you.
And with the discussion na nangyari today, it was great because of the topics that was discussed. With Ma'am Tony, I've learned a lot, lalo na kung how to be confident with yourself, of course, how to present yourself properly, how to give a big impact or impression sa taong kausap mo, lalo na we're store personnel, we're frontliners. So it was a really great learning with Ma'am Tony.
What I learned on our training is the non-verbal language is very important for us as frontliner, especially if gusto po natin ma-improve yung sales namin. Especially in our daily basis, we have to face customers and clients in such a different profile. So we need proper grooming, which we learned on this training po. So it's very helpful. At the same time, we can share our other colleagues for us in everyday checklist that we are in compliance with proper grooming and even non-verbal some non-verbal activities or language that we can help or we can innovate on our company.